Hi, Katelyn. This is a video for you on our lesson here on October 1st. Great work on Happy Farmer. I just want to remind you to find some good things in all the songs you play in your I Can Read music book, your review, your new songs, because you really are doing a lot of good things, and I want you to acknowledge the good. Even more so than what we need to work on, we want to acknowledge the good. So here's what we want to work on. We already talked about this in the lesson, but hopefully this video is helpful to practice with. Warm up with your I Can Read music book and a scale first. I would do the G scale with the high twos, pick a rhythm, and then a low twos here before playing Happy Farmer is a good warm up, checking your posture, giving yourself some compliments on what you're working on, and then let's work on measure 3 by itself. So we're going to play C, A, D, C, B, G, D, B. And the goal is to play the notes correctly on the first try. I mean, if you have a mistake, that's okay. Just go back and try again. But we're not going to count it as a good try unless we get all of the notes correctly without any extra notes. And in order to be done with this measure, we have to get it right 3 times in a row. So if you get it right 2 times and then the 3rd time you have a problem, you have to start all over, okay? So do this with me. You can just rewind the video. We're at 1 minute and 40 seconds in. So rewind it to that spot and start with me here. Measure 3, get your good posture ready. Good bow hold. C, A, D, C, B, G, D, B. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, I'm going to do it 2 more times on the video. Then you can rewind back to 1 minute 40 to make sure you get all 3 times in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. Good, we're making sure we're in the lower half of the bow. 1 more time on the video. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. And then if you can get it good 3 times in a row, then you can try playing it within the song. But before we review the whole song, I'm not going to do that on the video today because I think you've done enough of that with other videos. But before you do that, go ahead and let's practice the double up bow. I'm going to actually start, the double up bow is in 10, and then it's also in 15. I mean, there's other double up bows, but you're getting all of those. So these are the ones we want to practice. So let's start at pick up to 9, and we're going to play D, C, B, A, D, C, B, A, G, A, D. I'm sorry, I wrote the wrong one. A is a down bow. Sorry, I think I told you that wrong in your lesson too. So it's measure 9, that's the double up bow, not measure 10. So pick up to 9, D, C, B, A, D. Those are both ups. Down, down, up, up. C, B is down, A, D is up. So we're starting at the pick up to 9 with a little up bow, but we're going to start in the middle of the bow because it's just a little up bow. So we can stay near the lower part of the bow. Ready, pick up to 9. 1, 2, ready, go. D, C, down, down, up, up. Good. We're right at 4 minutes in the video. You can rewind it, but I'm going to do it 2 more times so we can get 3 in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. One more time, ready, go. Good. And then if you're able to get that spot good 3 times in a row and the spot at measure 3 good 3 times in a row, the other thing to think about is playing in the lower part of the bow when you put the song all together. Find what you're doing good at. Always focus in on the good and have fun in your work. And then I think you'll be able to put it together nicely. Let me know if you have any other troubles. Also, looking in at notes, review schedule. Give yourself compliments when you're reviewing. Listen to our next song, Gavat. Your G major scale is going to be a really good warm-up, but don't forget about the A major scale with the high threes on the lower two strings, because you want to remember that scale. I almost did it wrong. High three. You want to remember that scale as we promote to book 2 soon. That's exciting. All right, have a good week. I'll see you next time.